Hey everyone! Today, we've got a quick and helpful tutorial for you on how to split audio in Audacity. Let's dive right in. Alright, here we are in Audacity. The first thing you want to do is grab the selection tool, which you can find right up. Alternatively, you can simply hit F1 on your keyboard to select Selection Tool. Now, choose where you want to split the track. It could be to remove a mistake, create a pause, or for any other reason. Once you've made your selection, look to the top left corner, and you will see multiple options. In the options, head over to the Edit menu. When you click on it, a drop-down menu will appear. In the menu, navigate to Audio Clips, and then you will see a Split button. Click on Split. If you're a fan of shortcuts, you can also use Ctrl+I. And just like that, you've split your audio. And there you have it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.